Put the fucking money in! Put the money in!
Is this a fucking wind-up? Where's my fucking money?
I'm gonna fucking sort you, do you understand? You fucking understand?
Right, let's just get the recorder started. Interview being recorded by Sergeant Ted Phillips, attached to Northampton Police Station. The time is 1:33 p.m. on the 12th of March 2018. Would you please just state your full name, sir?
My name is Jack Pickett.
And what exactly is your role in this case?
It's a witness, I suppose.
Would you just please state in your own words exactly what happened?
Well, I think the robbery started some point in the morning. There was like 2, maybe 3 guys in masks. Well, I think you know what happened in there.
Put the fucking money in! Again! Money in! I'm gonna blow your fucking brains out. Understand?
Sorry, just a second. You were kidnapped by the suspect?
Yeah.
Could you tell me more about what happened? What went on in the van, where they took you, that kind of thing?
Well, nothing really happened until the van stopped. We kind of talked about where we were headed, but didn't really give much away.
Is there anything you saw or heard that could be used to identify the suspect?
I guess their accents.
Mm-hmm. What kind of accents?
Well, one of the lads was Irish, and the other had like a kind of Cockney southern twang.
An Irishman and a Cockney. What happened when the van stopped?
Something wrong, sunshine? Move forward a couple of paces, will ya?
Well, it didn't really take me that long to work out what was happening. It was clear I wasn't the guy that they wanted.
How come?
Well, they bring me out to the middle of nowhere to meet some loan shark. He was obviously expecting someone else because he just said,
Who, in the name of the Holy fucking Father, is this geezer?
This is the man you asked for.
Does he look like the owner of a €30 million international banking corporation? No. And on top of that, where's my fucking money?
Just calm down. That's all been taken care of.
We're taking sweet bloody time about it. Chop fucking chop. Is this a fucking wind-up? I'll give you 2 jokers one fucking job to do. And this is what you come back with.
That's 50,000 fucking pounds. You'll be taking a fucking piss asking for any more than that.
Have you any idea who the fuck you're mugging off?
I couldn't give up.
things got heated between the 4 of them. But it didn't really kick off until somebody said...
Said what?
Can't remember. I just remember all of a sudden the shooting started.
So you're saying they just all fired at once, just like that?
No, not like that, but... I think it was the Irish guy, he fired first.
At who? At the loan shark?
Yeah, it killed him on impact. Sorry, wait. There was a bodyguard.
What? What's this really all about? You never mentioned a bodyguard. I mean, how am I meant to take any of this serious?
Look, I forgot, alright? It was like just in the background, like fella barely spoke a word. Anyways, so the Irishman, he tries to walk up on the loan shark, screaming at him. As you might imagine, his bodyguard steps in to create some distance between the 2 of them. And that's when things went south. And after seeing that, I just obviously picked myself up and made as much distance from the place as I could. And that's about everything.
It's not really true though, is it, Jack? I think you've come here because you're a lot more involved in this than you'd have us believe. How much are they paying you to sell me this bullshit story?
You know, it doesn't really matter what you think. Because the truth is, I happen to know a lot more about you than you could ever know about me. It's Ted William Phillips. You were born in 1969 and you married your wife in 96. You have 2 boys, William and Tyler. And they've just moved out of that little house you've remortgaged on Butler's Avenue. We, Ted, are a large network of people, and we can react very fast and destructively. So I'll tell you how it is, right? I'm just going to walk out of here with all of this information you have about me and my crew. And well, you just keep your mouth fucking shut if you know what's good for you.
A hostage? Are you two taking a piss?
People pay fucking
Remind
good
me
money.
again because I'm struggling to recall. Well, when the fuck did I tell you two to bring a loose end into the equation, eh?
Look, guys.
Oi! Who the fuck is talking to you? Right. At least tell me you got the money.
Listen, if you guys just let me go.
Where's the fucking money?
Okay, mate. All right here. Take it. What about our cut?
Well, since you fucking created all this mess, I wouldn't say you necessarily done your parts to earn it, have you? I was gonna have one of my guys throw the cops off the trail, but that looks like it's gonna be my job now, doesn't it?
Hey, listen here, you stupid fucking arsehole. We done the dirty thing. Ah! Ah!
I need you to sort this fucking mess out, yeah? Just make it look like it never happened. And I don't want it looking like a fucking mass suicide here, I want it looking like it never fucking happened. Do you understand? Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Mr. Director over here.
How much are they paying you to sell me bullshit?
It's my fucking forest, yeah? My fucking forest!